Good morning, everyone. Brand new day yet again. I'm picking up the Buick, heading over to my brother's house to go get some tools, or a lot of tools actually. Gonna be doing a big job today. Gotta pull the rack and pinion out of this right here. I don't have the new one yet. I gotta send it to Z1 Motorsports where I bought the new rack and pinion, and that way I don't have to pay a core charge. So gonna pull that out today and then ship it off, and hopefully I don't run into any issues. So first things first, we gotta check all the fluids in this right here. Haven't had any problems with leaks or anything, but I just wanna make sure. She's just been sitting around back here for weeks. People hate when you got such nice cars. So somebody sees a Buick like this, they start hating, you know? They're like, how can you afford such a beautiful vehicle? And then next thing you know, they vandalize it. So always good, check oil when you have a really nice car that's parked on the street. So yeah, she got oil. She could probably use a quart, but should be all right. Start her up. Love it. She starts every time. Never had an issue. I love it. Well, I've had an issue before, but every time she's good, she's good. I love it. We're gonna head to James' house and go load up this car with a bunch of tools that I'm gonna need, and then we're gonna get to work. Like Sammy's here. Whoa, he's got the seat back in. What the? That's interesting. No more bed in the Echo. Well, we here. It was nice driving with that glob of shit in front of my face the whole time. All right, we got everything we need packed up. Now we gotta find a spot to work. I think this is good, honestly. It's not in front of a house. This is actually a school. So worst comes to worst, the school's upset and my kids can't go there. I'm gonna just go ahead and take off those tie rods, or just disconnect them from the knuckle, and that will just leave everything in between. 19mm bolt right on there. Put the wrench, not too bad. All right, that's that side. To get this out, I've seen people hit it, and for some reason it just pops right out. So let's try it. I'm gonna try to whack at it without the camera. So I was gonna do the tie rods first, but I need that tool, unfortunately. I'm sure I could just bang at it all day and eventually it'll fall off, but I'm not trying to do that. We're just gonna continue, try to attach everything that I possibly can, and then I'll go to AutoZone and grab that tool. All right, so with the yoke, you wanna remove that 12mm bolt and that 12mm bolt, and then you take off the bottom part first, and then that way you can push the steering column a little bit and slip it right off the top. So I just gotta loosen those up and then pull it off. All right, boys, I'm not gonna ahead of myself. I just know if I were to film any of this, it was just gonna be trash. So basically all I did was remove the hose. I removed this flare nut here. I removed the electric clip that just connects right here, very easy. It also has a little spot to keep the hose tidy. Just removed it, and I removed the 2 bolts from the yoke. But I'm actually having a lot of trouble trying to get this thing to move at all. Pretty sure that it's like semi-seized on there. I was thinking I'll just remove everything that I need to, and then I'll drop it, and then maybe I could just like yank it off. We'll see how it goes. But I think all that's left is there's like a 10mm bolt here that's just a bracket holding the hard line and the hose close by the rack and pinion to keep it tidy. So it's just a 10mm nut that's on top. It'll probably be a tiny bit annoying to get it off. And then just the big bolts that are holding on the rack and pinion. That's where I'm at now, and my hat fell off. Probably looking crazy. I usually look crazy bad at this point, so that's where I'm at. Right. Need the extendo. Alright, I guess this is the bushing. Surprising. No, this is the bushing. Never mind. So everything's all fixed except for the tie rod end bolts and the yoke that might be seized. I'm about to go to AutoZone and get that tool that I was talking about, and then we'll be back, and hopefully we can. Yo, my man got a whole slice of pizza. Bro, where you get that pizza from, bro?
Pizza heaven, motherfucker. Yeah, big ass slices. They kind of got to fold because they're so big.
Yeah, man. I was just telling them, bro, like, I might have to go to AutoZone. Alright, G. Let's go do some things. Nice little break. Much needed break. It's rough, man. It's rough. Oh, wow. What is this? That's interesting.
Oh, this is my Galapagos pin. I need another pin, though. I've only got Canada pin, I got a Peregrine, and I got a Yosemite pin, but I need a fourth one.
Yeah.
Forgot to get one when I was in the Adirondacks because it would have been perfect.
Yep, so going through town, about to go to the crib, freshen up a little second. Basically done, like I told y'all, I just gotta get that special tool, and then we getting that thing out of there. And then we gotta ship it. We gotta go to UPS, ship it. Hopefully they don't charge an arm and a leg, and then we just wait for that new one. Who's that? Look, Felix. The double swing. You gonna choose your food? Hey. Is it good? Good. Oh man, we had a really good day, but got a little sidetracked, and now we stuck doing this at 9:30 at night, basically 10 o'clock. But we gotta do it. We got the tool. We're gonna pop those, whatchamacallem, Sammy? Outer tie rods out. And then and then we gotta get it off of that yoke that I told you might be a little bit seized on there. And hopefully that's it. Hopefully she comes right out. And hopefully these neighbors don't come out. Hopefully she don't come out. But hopefully she comes out. Hopefully she don't. Hopefully she does. Yeah, so this tool here, you know, just pushes down on this bolt and pops it right off. And it makes a shit ton of noise. That's gonna piss off the neighbors. God damn it, boom already. Yes, we've done it.
It's definitely a boom.
Yeah, it's a boom. So guys, the rack is actually dropping because I don't have it on anything right now. Hopefully now it'll make it easier to get it off the spindle and it won't be like seized up. Hopefully she just falls right off, honestly. That'd be amazing. Then we could just go skate. That'd be great. Okay. It's literally just hanging on the spindle now. It's really stuck on the spindle. It's not good. All right, boys. I got it, bro. Thank God. Now I gotta send this back to Z1 Motorsports, and hopefully they get it in a timely manner, and I get my new one in a timely manner, and then you guys will catch me putting it back if you watch the next video. Really happy this lady didn't come outside and fuck up my night, and really happy. You imagine? Really happy Sam is here to hold the flashlight and give me some words of encouragement. I feel accomplished. I mean, it's out, you know, thank God. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys for watching so much, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. Let me know what you guys think. Till next time, guys, I'll see you later. Say bye, Sammy.
Peace, y'all.